Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan the card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's basically it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.